Hey everyone, welcome back to Tastebud Heaven. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers with 5 incredible air fryer recipes you need to try. Whether you're looking for healthier options or just want quick, delicious meals, these recipes are going to blow you away. Let's get started. Our first recipe is a classic comfort food with a healthy twist: crispy air fryer fried chicken. Start by seasoning your chicken pieces with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Then, coat them in a mix of flour and breadcrumbs for that crispy outer layer. Lightly spray your air fryer basket with oil, place the chicken inside, and cook at 375 for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. You'll get perfectly golden, crispy chicken with way less oil than frying. Next up, let's make some perfectly golden air fryer French fries. Slice your potatoes into thin strips, toss them in a little olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Pop them in the air fryer at 400 for 15–20 minutes, giving them a shake halfway through. The result? Fries that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, perfect for a guilt-free snack or side dish. If you're in the mood for a healthy snack, these air fryer veggie chips are for you. Thinly sliced vegetables like sweet potatoes, zucchini, or kale. Toss them with a small amount of olive oil and your favorite seasonings. Air fry at 350 for 10–15 minutes until crispy. These chips are a delicious and nutritious alternative to regular potato chips. Now, let's indulge a little with some air-fried mozzarella sticks. Start by cutting mozzarella into sticks and dipping them into flour, beaten eggs, and seasoned breadcrumbs. Freeze them for about 30 minutes so they hold their shape, then air fry at 390 for 6–8 minutes. You'll get that gooey, melty cheese inside with a perfectly crunchy coating without the deep-fried guilt. Finally, we've got something for the dessert lovers out there: air fryer chocolate lava cake. You'll need melted chocolate, butter, sugar, eggs, and flour. Mix everything together until smooth, then pour into greased ramekins. Air fry at 350 for 8–10 minutes until the outside is set but the center is still gooey. Once you dig in, that rich, warm chocolate lava will flow out. It's the perfect treat for any occasion. And there you have it, 5 amazing air fryer recipes that are easy, delicious, and healthier than traditional cooking methods. Whether it's crispy fried chicken, perfect French fries, or indulgent lava cakes, the air fryer has you covered. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tastebud Heaven, and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe. Let us know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try, and we'll see you in the next video.